What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm sitting. This is not good. So I just delivered a load, previous video, to Wentzville, Missouri, to the TVS supply chain company, whatever they are. And I had another load going to Pennsylvania that I was going to pick up, but it wound up that I wasn't going to get unloaded in time, or at least I thought I wasn't. So I had to cancel that load. Instead of putting him under stress and causing issues, I just went ahead and was like, hey bro, I'm not going to be able to pick this load up. And then it wound up that I would have been able to pick up the load, but it was already too late. So came over here to the TA. I got to get a truck inspection, and my trailer needs an inspection as well for Landstar. 120 days it's due. They're not super busy, but the Landstar guy is booked out for like 5 hours and then he goes home. So I'm not gonna have time to get that done today. So been trying to figure out where I can go to get a Landstar inspection that has availability. The Oak Grove, Missouri, the big Petro out there outside of Kansas City, they have inspectors on duty 24/7. So should be able to get an inspection done there. I have a load that I booked earlier today, or probably 30 minutes ago. Booked it going to Kansas City. It comes out of Pacific, so I got like a 40-mile deadhead south of St. Louis, and taking it over there. It's 24,000 pounds. Delivers tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. No big deal. Nice short load, but it gives me enough time to stop overnight to get my truck and trailer inspected. I'm not worried about anything. Maybe some tires on the trailer. That's not a huge deal. Other than that, the truck should be fine. The trailer should be fine. I don't think if there's anything that I really need to be worried about. I don't believe there is. So he called me and said, hey, yeah, this load's all good. We're good to go. I'm like, all right, right on. So I get over to the truck and I'm like, I'm gonna get stuff ready to go. Just get stuff situated to hit the road. Then he calls me a few minutes after that and says, yeah, this is a new customer. We're just having issues with him getting everything situated. This load, I would look for something else. Just do that. I'm like, all right, cool. I appreciate you letting me know. Thank you. So I call another load that just popped up going down to Frisco, Texas. $4.26 a mile on this load. 2,400 bucks, 2,600 bucks, something like that. Good load, 20-some thousand pounds. Not a big deal. And then as I'm on the phone with that guy, and he puts me on hold, the first guy called me and was like, hey man, this load's all good, you know, we booked it, everything's good to go. And I'm like, man, I don't know what to tell you, dude. I'm on the phone with this other guy. I gotta let him know at some point, but he's got me on hold. So it just kind of went back and forth, and then finally I'm like, all right, it's he's having issues trying to book that load out for Frisco, Texas. So I was like, look man, I already got a load. Told me it canceled, it didn't cancel, so I'm currently under a load, so I can't take your load. He's like, all right man, thanks. No hard feelings there, but I'm just waiting on confirmation, waiting on the actual like email, the rate con, and once I get that, I will head to Pacific and we'll go pick up this load. Hopefully the weather breaks and I can get my truck washed. And well, I can get it washed in the rain either way, but I want to get it washed before the inspection. I like going in for the inspection with you know, clean truck, kind of get everything there. Just makes things a little easier for everybody. But yeah guys, so that's the plan. That load goes over to Edwardsville. Goes over to Kansas City area. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go get that load as long as everything works out. But we'll get out of this guy's way. We'll let's see what happens. All right, change of plans. It's been about an hour and a half now. No load. Still no good. So agent kind of screwed me on my time here. At least my clock hasn't been started, so I still have a fresh clock. I called an agent about a load that picks up in Illinois over here, just across the state line, that runs down to Forest, Mississippi. Not really where I want to go, but it's something I can pick up and run straight through, get it delivered by tomorrow, and then pick something else up tomorrow at some point. 480 something miles, so I'm a full night run. But here it is, 3:30. Well, it's 4 o'clock, 4:05 now, so a little later than I thought it was. But regardless, we are gonna go over there, pick that up, and I called the agent about this load, left a voicemail. They called me back not knowing that I left a voicemail, asked if I was interested in picking up a load, and it worked out. I got a little more money on it than what it was originally posted for, so it's all good there. We're gonna go pick up this load and head on down to Mississippi. So let's get rolling, guys. We are 1.1 miles out. Petro Industries, something like that. It's weird that it's 5:15 and it's already getting dark. Not a huge fan of winter. see if I can figure out where to go. And then find a dock and all that good stuff, figure out what we need to do. All drivers check in here. Hey, well, look at that. That's what I guys. So I've checked in over here. It's gonna start raining again. So I'm wearing this. Ugh, this freaking head cap. Oh my gosh. At least I got my doors open already. They thought nobody was gonna come get this load. And so they're happy I'm here. Gonna be just over 9,000 pounds, which is freaking awesome, because you know me, I like a light load. 9,000 pounds is a light load. But I gotta back up into this dock straight ahead with the green flashing light, so we're gonna get over there. Man, these yard jockeys gotta back these trailers. That sucks. They look like pup trailers though. Yeah, they're not very big trailers, but still, that would suck. I think we're gonna shoot through here and loop, turn around. That's gonna be the best way to do this. Oh, let's see here. We'll get this thing lined up. Have 5 straps back there. I'm picking up 3 totes, so didn't realize how far over I was already. Oh, you guys get on to me all the time about my backing, and it's quite funny. Just want to move over a little bit. There we go. I'm still learning, okay? Leave me alone. Don't beat me up too bad. I'm still learning. Oop, 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 oop. It's like my first day on the job, all right? Cut me some slack. Wow, their line is like way over to the side. This looks a little better. Oh, that's much better. Gotta be like 6 inches off that line. Maybe not 6, maybe 4, 3, 2, whatever. Can't be on the line. Goodness. Contact. I'm gonna go check in. Alright guys, we got our bills. We are let's see here, 9,282 pounds. I'm pointing you up there, I need to point you at me. 9,282 pounds. So nice light load. I got 3 totes on there. I got it secured as I can get. This is hazmat, it's corrosive, so I have to stop every 150 after my initial 50, do a safety check, all that kind of stuff. So we'll get all that done whenever we get to it, but for now let's get on the road and get out of here. We got 7 hours and 58 minutes, so our ETA is going to be 2:03 a.m. so bright and early. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Let's see how this is going to work as far as picking up a load for Friday. So let's get on the road. We're wasting time. guys, we're gonna get up here and get off this exit 4, 3, whatever it is, for the Petro, and then get some fuel. Whew. Bless you. Thank you. Quite a ways on this tank of fuel here. I got sitting on about a quarter tank of fuel. It's definitely time to get some. And here at the Petro, we get 61 cents off a gallon off the pump price, so not too bad. We're gonna see what the pump price is and then what the actual cost is. See what kind of fuel mileage I got. Done 3 safety checks so far. The one with the 50 miles, and then I've done 2 more stop, all that good stuff. Checking everything, check the load. Well, I got 3 totes up front, right in the nose. Oh, they don't have any fuel, huh?
No, it's down. Petro's fuels are down.
Oh, wonderful. Is it just Petro, or is that everywhere in this area?
I don't know.
So I guess we are going to turn around. That sucks. Alright, well, I wound up putting in 100 gallons over here at the Loves. Probably didn't even need to put in that much, but I got 210 miles to go. The pump wouldn't work. I kept putting in my truck and unit number, truck number, but it asked for unit number. So I kept putting that in and it wouldn't take it. It would just cycle back to like re-put it in, but it wouldn't say invalid or anything. And then finally it kicked me out and said exceeded amount limit tries or whatever. So it's like, great, okay. So I had to go inside and have him do all that stuff. And what else happened? Just the line, like you guys seen how packed that freaking Loves was. But there was 2 trucks in line behind me, so I pulled up to the pay line, went inside, got my receipt, got a new Loves card, so I could actually use the points and the shower credit and all that stuff that I got. I come out from inside and there's 2 trucks there, and I'm like, man, I got 6 minutes left until my 30-minute break is done. So I friggin' did 2 mile an hour through the parking lot until it registered that my break was over. And I know you guys have done that kind of stuff before. We all have. Stuff you gotta do. There's no parking. So that's what I did. Kind of circled the parking lot. And then it registered that my time was up, so I'm getting on the road, guys. We got, like I said, 209 miles to go. We're going to be in Tennessee here in just a minute, and then we're going to shoot down into Mississippi. And yeah. So, I'll keep this in mind for my next fill up, or my next load. It was $375 pump price for 100 gallons. So, not real cheap. But I got a little bit of a discount. I haven't even checked it, to be honest. I know it's not going to be much. But it's all good. We'll get on over here and get on down the road, guys. And if anything changes, anything happens, I'll catch up with y'all. We are 1.9 miles out, guys. A lot of back roads. Last 80 miles, 82 miles or so has been nothing but highway, back roads. Not interstate, in other words. Well, we're getting there. Google shows this place as Tyson. So I'm probably not going to be able to film in there, record, whatever, because nobody uses film anymore. Let's see what I can do. See what we can get done, right? I'm going to turn right up here. I don't even know if this place will take what I have. I don't know. I don't know what to expect over here. They told me to run straight through, but I don't know. Currently 3:31 a.m. Definitely bright and early. Or dark and late, whatever you want to call it. A half mile up here, we're going to turn left. Really hope this goes pretty quick, because I am tired. Say this is where we're going. I gotta figure out where the truck entrance is. It's not right there. Look at this. right, well, the sign says no photos or videos, so we'll check in here and see what we need to do. Hello. All right, guys. She told me to go all the way down here. This little back road. Can't record looking out, so you gotta look at me. I'm sorry. But she said they're not supposed to be in until 7. But I was supposed to deliver this thing straight through, so somebody should be here. She told me to just go down here, somebody will see me and come out, and we'll go from there. But I don't know. I don't know what to expect. I might have to wait till 7. I don't know. There's people working here, but I don't know. Oh, the agent just emailed me. I don't know when we'll be in. I don't know. I wish y'all could see this, because this is ridiculous. I don't know where to go. She told me to just come back here and somebody would come to me, but I don't even see anybody other than there's some people at like the smoking area, a little break cabana, basically. So figure out what's going on, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, guys. I think he just pulled off the last pallet finally. It is 5:07 in the morning. I've been here for over an hour and a half for 3 pallets. It's a little ridiculous. It took them, I've been in this dock for maybe 25 minutes. So it's real quick to get unloaded, but nobody knew what to do with it. Nobody knew where to take it or anything like that. So it was, it's been a battle trying to figure out where to go with it and all that crap. So yeah, I'm tired, I'm exhausted. There's luckily there's a truck stop down the road. I'm right off of 20, so they've already signed the bills before they even put me in dock. They signed the bills, so I'm like sending that in. Yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go to the truck stop and I'm gonna go to bed because I'm freaking tired. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate all the love and the support you guys show me. And until next time, guys, stand up for what you believe in. Let your family know you love them. I'll see you guys on the next one. Y'all be good. Stay safe out there.